Hi, Madam and Sir. Good day. My name is Isabel Gayuma. I am 35 years of age. I am married. I have 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl, 15, 13, and 7. My work experience before, I worked at 6 years in Middle East. The first in Lebanon, take her 3 months baby. She is a girl. And then my responsibility is to take her with here. And then I put or change malabas, change diaper, and I make a milk or a food, and also she sleep with me, and everything also. And then I make also multitasking work like ironing, washing clothes, cooking basic food. And then in Dubai, I work also as a cleaners or housekeeping because no baby, all is adult. So, and also, I work in Saudi Arabia, almost 2 years and 3 months also, as a nanny also, 2 boy, 5-year-old, and 3 months. Same also in Lebanon. My responsibility is focused to the baby. So I change malabas or clothes, change diaper, make a milk or food. For the 5 years old, I before she sleep or he sleep, I prepare the clothes for the school, and then I prepare the lunch pack for tomorrow, and also I make multitasking also if the kids in the school, I cleaning the house, I make a basic food, and then madam, if you choose me, I'm willing to learn new things, and I'll do my best. Thank you.